Welcome back to Wicked F150. I actually just got done leveling the truck this past weekend, which will be a quick how-to-do video coming up. Some problems had with the editing and everything. The video actually disappeared, so I'm just going to go take a tire off and go through step by step for that. But quick headlight adjustment. Noticed it this morning coming to work. Need to get it done. So this is how you're going to adjust your headlights on the 2018s. Now, before even getting started, inside of a garage, of course, have the headlights on. Now, yes, they are a little whiter. I did replace them, the headlights already from stock, because stock is absolutely awful. I replaced them with Philips Crystal Vision Ultra, I believe, and they're not bad. I mean, they look pretty white compared to the stock horrible yellows, and they are so much brighter. But anyway, I went ahead and taped off where the headlights sit, and yes, they are different. The driver's side sits about 3 inches lower than the passenger side for whatever reason. But let's go ahead and get started on showing you how to adjust them. All right, now you pop your hood, you come right above the headlight here, and right here. I know you can't see down inside of there, but inside is a little wheel, and you just give it a turn counterclockwise. Not sure what the measurements are. All the research that I've done, it's approximately ½ an inch a turn, so we'll see how this comes out. Okay, so it actually took a little bit, because what I read online is on the 18 you wanted to do a counterclockwise on here. I did that and actually raised them. So what the research that I did do, apparently it's either wrong or every truck is different. I'm not sure, so I had to go back all of the turns that I did counterclockwise and redo them clockwise. On my 2018 F150 XLT with the FX4 package, I had to turn my headlight adjuster clockwise to get them lower. Now, since they were a little uneven, I did 20 turns on the driver's side and 25 turns on the passenger side, and they are just about even. I could probably do 2 or 3 more turns on the passenger side, and then they'd be dead even straight across there. But that's a big difference. I mean, it's about 6 inches for 20 little turns of that wheel inside of there, so that way you have a little bit of a guideline to show you, so you can know what each turn is with the little grooves inside that adjuster. Well, like I said, 20 of them moved it about 6 inches. So now you have a guideline in case you need to do this yourself.